Hi guys! Hello! Happy Thanksgiving! Ay nako, si Austin, I haven't given him a haircut yet. So anyways, may mag-hello sa inyo guys. Si baby girl. Baby girl. Guys, may peklat siya sa nose kasi kinalmot siya yata ni Quincy kasi palagi niyang ginugulo si Quincy or si Ellie. Anyways guys, it's Thanksgiving! So I just wanted to show you kung anong niluluto ko because we're going to my mom's house, Mamyang 5 o'clock. And then so I'm in charge of the turkey, mashed potatoes, gravy, stuffing, and magdadala rin ako ng roasted potatoes, guys. Ayan, ang liliit yan, guys. Sobrang liit, parang kasing laki ng grapes. And gagawa ako, guys, ng fresh cranberry sauce. Ito yung cranberries. Ang gagawin mo lang dyan, orange juice and sugar. Hanggang sa parang maging jam siya. Masarap kasi siya. Pag yung i-pair mo siya with the stuffing and mashed potatoes and gravy. So guys, ito yung turkey. Ang laki-laki niya, no? Look at my hand. Laki. So, I'm gonna stuff that with yung stuffing. So, ano to? Cornbread stuffing to. Ilalagay mo to siya sa loob ng turkey. And then, pag naluto na siya, yung stuffing mo, ma-absorb lahat ng juices and lasa ng turkey. And around the turkey, nilagyan ko siya ng apples, carrots, celery. Para yung juice niya, pag sinama mo dito, ang sarap niyan. So, also guys, I wanted to show you something. Look at what I found. Ano, yung carrots, kambal, parang legs. Tapos, if they let this grow pa, there's like a little carrot growing on the other side. Parang twins. Ayan, Ang galing, no, guys? Akita na kayo na ganito in person. Ay, my goodness. So, ayan. There's Quincy. Quincy, say happy Thanksgiving to your friends. Sorry, guys. Bini-baby talk ko si Quincy. Kasi baby namin yan. Bait yan. I'm 8 years old, guys. Hello, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching my mommy's channel. Wala. Guys, kaya pala ragdoll ang tawag sa mga yan. Kasi when you hold them, they limp and nagre-relax sila like dolls. Kaya ragdolls. They were founded back in 1960s. Yung breeder is taga LA. So, very popular tong breed na to ngayon no? Sa Instagram, you'll see so many, owners ng mga ragdolls. At saka sa mga cat show. Yan. So anyways guys, going back, ito ulit yung turkey natin. And isa-stuff ko na siya. And then I'm gonna go and show you how it looks na stuffed. And then ika-cover ko and then nalagay natin sa, sa oven. Ang pounds pala niya guys nasa siya, 15 and a half. Before, I used to get 25 nung nagko-host ako ng parties. Pero ngayon kami na ng family ko, 6 lang kami. So, 15 pounds is good enough. Malaki to sige guys, I'll be back. So, here's the turkey. Na-stuff ko na siya. So, yun na yung stuffing. It's inside, hanggang sa loob. And then, I added more sa neck. And then, I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it up. And, oven natin at 325 degrees for 4.5 hours. And, ito palang yung rub niya. That's paprika, sea salt, and black pepper. Yan yung niya. Tapos, cover natin siya. So, mamaya, pag nakita niyo na siya, it's gonna be nice and golden brown and ready to eat. And before anything else pala guys, meron akong gustong ipakita sa inyo na binili ni Austin for me yesterday. Tuwan-tuwa ako guys. Ay, nga pala, nilinis ko na yung silver. Kasi nakita ko sa ibang vlogs, dark na siya. Guys, so, binili ni Austin sa akin. It's a nutcracker. Ang ganda, no? I've always wanted one. Ito maganda yung design niya, yung nutcracker. And then, kasi nagpunta kami sa sa store yesterday after work. And then, ang dami ng Christmas decorations. And I bought this. Actually, he bought this. Ay, teka, baliktad yung ribbon na sa taas. Pero it's a golden wreath. So I think it's so pretty. And green tree, yay! So anyways guys, antayin na lang natin yung yung turkey, and I'll be back. Hi! So ito na yung turkey after 5 hours sa oven. Golden brown na yung skin. And luto na siya. And ayan yung stuffing. Ano na tawag dito? It's also cooked. Of course, 5 hours pa naman. And nag-reduce na yung mga vegetables on the side. So that's gonna be good for gravy. And ayan. I can't wait. I'm just gonna go ahead and change. And then I'm gonna go and what do you call this? Mag-drive kami to go to my mom's house kasi that's where we're gonna have Thanksgiving. So anyways guys, ayan. Super juicy. Can you see? Umuusok pa siya. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. I know big or small blessings. I know blessings pa rin yan, kaya we should always be thankful. At saka, life is short. We should always be happy with whatever we have and as much as we can. Huwag masyadong problema. Especially, when you're getting older. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you my turkey. Thank you very much for always watching and reaching out to me. I appreciate it. And again, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Bye.